Hey, Stampin' friends, Darlene with Darling Stamps. So I'm just giving you a quick review of March since it's come, gone, and we're on to June. So stay tuned as I kind of go through a little bit of some tips with the month and some information as far as the refills and a kind of out of the box idea that you may have seen, but watch for the still frames. I want to show a little bit of forest scraps on this set. So these came in the full card, which, you know, you can get 2 cards out of this. Or what I did was I took and put some dies. So the, I already cut it up and put it into a little bag, but the add-on is really nice because it has nice things, the 2 kinds of butterflies and the detail. So I took and I got a piece out of there and then a couple of things. So with these extra vellums, and I'll show you the end product, but I thought, you know, these are really neat. And so I took the thanks and popped it out. You can see, so it pops on that. But then if we put a piece underneath, of course, these are the pieces that come in the kit. So now, not only do I have the gold on there, but now I have a nice accent piece. So just when, you know, the vellum, it makes it nice for the pieces. And so we'll do something with this, but stay tuned. But I wanted to get, as you build layouts, as you look at things, always take care of all these pieces that they've cut out so nice for us, and I'll show you my end product. Okay, so let me show you a little trick just to utilize these little thank yous. Oops, thank yous. So taking in the kit, which is the little, I call them the little pots. So I took a pot, I did the stamp, which comes in the set, heartfelt, and you see how I actually covered up the thanks, but I had to lower my my little F over this cutout that comes with it. And then I'm just gonna glue the thanks, and then I'll show you the other ones that I did. And that'll go on here. And that'll be my base on there. But I wanted to kind of show that aspect of it. And then this is my, so on my wood nice desk that I have, this is just a mouse pad, but it really makes it nice because you need the cushion when you're using the polymer. You have to have a cushion for it to get enough on there. So anyhow, that's what I use. I know there's some with Stampin' Up, but let me show you. So I did a boo-boo, so I want to show you my boo-boo. So I got my card in there, no problem. I always save the real estate. So you see I've got these wonderful pieces I can use. This is Mossy Meadow, which is in the color of this month, or for March. So because I did what I say you shouldn't do, which is put your top piece over and then stamp. So I boo-booed. So so now what I have to do is I just glued it. I already did glue on it. So I need to stamp on it. So I am just going to, actually, let's do it faster. Let me do my little one. Is I just glued it to a white piece. It'll add some layer to it. Not too worried about it. But now what I'm able to do is now I do my stamp. So trying to use, and this is actually the sentiment that I'm going to use is from the June 21 pumpkin. And I'm just going to put for everything down here. And get all my space cleared. What I'm trying to use is this pretty gorgeous grape vellum. So I'm just going to pop this down right in top here, so it comes off. I can see a little bit on top. But when you're doing your layouts, the important thing is that you have your layers, because then you're able to pull a lot of elements that you, oh, and I got extra glue. There we go. Normally I try not to do that. Let me get my, we used to sell these, and I actually found them. It's kind of the glue eraser. I found them at Dollar Tree, of all places. Okay. And then, so layers, layers, layers. Now, you can add layers without having all the bulk by just doing, I just got too much glue on this, so hold on. Let me get my paper. If I put it on here, then all the gooey paint, all the gluey oo comes off there. I don't think it's a term, gluey oo. Anyhow, and then I'm going to put that. Oh, don't move the S. There we go. There. Now I can put this on. So simple design, nothing real major. Oops. Okay, so I didn't get enough glue on that corner. Here I'm trying to be so careful that I don't have a goo out. Okay, so there's the using the vellum, using the thanks, and then this is from June 21 for the sentiment. So there's this one. Let me close this because I have in the past stuck my hand in that. And then I have this sentiment. Here's the other thanks that I popped out using the vellum, and I actually popped this up. But this sentiment, your thanks, you rise above the rest, is from the August 23 sentiment. And then this one, I kind of made the pot or the tree like it was in the pot with the thanks. And then I kind of boo-booed. So this is just some shimmer paper. I wanted a little bit of layers on there. This is shimmer paper, and forgot that not a whole lot sticks to this. So as you can see, let's see if I can do it this way. Yeah. So this was already glued down. So this is the oops and a fix. So this actually is dimensional. I put that up. So it kind of gives it a little bit of umph to it. And the sometimes there are no words came from the thoughtful expressions. So really neat thing. I love the hummingbird. So what I'm going to do is show you some still shots, and then I will show you they call it a sampler, and it's basically where you'll see my cuts, and they are they're going to be 3 by 3 on the small ones, and then 3 by 6 on the big. So now that we wrap up kind of March, and I am well on my way to getting caught up, just wanted to let you know the refills are available. So if you need to get refills, let me know. Send a comment or email. I put it in the description of this video. And I hope you enjoyed this. And it was absolutely the funnest ever to be able to not only share with you these ideas and some tips, but also just to connect and to bring a little inspiration when it comes to cards. So I hope you enjoy and all the alternates, and I will look forward to next month. So stay tuned. Have a good day.